Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding why. When you can't control what's happening, challenge yourself to control the way you respond to what's happening. That's where your power is. When you replace why is this happening to me with what is this trying to teach me, everything shifts. As nothing happens to you, everything happens for you to experience, for you to learn, and for you to grow. Viktor Frankl once said, between stimulus and response, there is a space. In that space is our power to choose our response, and in our response lies our growth and freedom. So let's practice processing and learning from what happens in life rather than just dwelling on it. As life unfolds in front of us, not behind us, remember, don't be a prisoner of your past. It was just a life lesson, not a life sentence. Enjoy the day.